This exercise deals with a discount. The marked price of a DVD player is $200 and the item is on sale at 20% off. What are the discount and the sale price? Well, first we'll find the discount. And that's going to be equal to the rate of discount times the marked price. And we'll call the discount D. We're told that the rate of discount is 20% and the marked price is $200. So to perform this multiplication, we would first change 20% to decimal notation. We would be doing the multiplication 200 times 0.2. And when we do that multiplication, we get 40. So the discount is $40. Now we're also asked to find the sale price. And the sale price is equal to the marked price minus the discount. And we'll call the sale price S. The marked price, we're told, is $200. And we just found that the discount is $40. So we would be carrying out this subtraction, 200 minus 40. And when we do that, we get 160. You can go through the steps yourself. So we find that the sale price is $160.